Here's a little tip if you wanted to fit some Oxford hot grips or similar to any bike. Today I'll be fitting to my MT10. There are various ways of removing the old grips, but what I'd like to show you is a way of removing the existing grip without doing any damage to the original OEM handlebar grips. A lot of people have suggested that you should get a Stanley knife and cut down the original grip, peel it off and get rid of it. A bit of a waste of a good piece of OEM kit, and if you wanted to keep it for later use, it's not the right way to do it. So what I've got here is a piece of suspension wire used for hanging suspended ceilings or containment, electrical supplies, somewhere like that. It's about maybe 1.5 mil in diameter, quite rigid wire. But so first of all, what you need to do is to straighten it. And to do that, trap one end in a vise, the other end, obviously it's quite curly, put it in the end of your drill, tighten it up. What this does, it puts tension and makes it straight. So you pull against and turn it. See that? Snaps the end off, but do it again. There you go. Now you've got one steel rod. So you'll need a piece, probably about, I don't know, as long as your pliers. And then I'm going to fit it into the drill. So that's my tool. And all you do is put it in the end of, in between the rubber and the handlebar bar itself, and turn it. And what it'll do, it will find its way all the way through, very gently, breaking away the glue without damaging anything else, all the way through the end. You can see it going round there. And once it starts moving, right, okay, now we'll just pull the drill away a little bit. You've got to go, Barbie. That comes all the way back out again. There. So once you've been round with the drill bit once to release the glue, keep it back in again. Get it all the way back in again to the end. It will be still quite hard to take off. Once it's in all the way to the end, basically apply pressure outwards and pull it up towards you whilst you're running the drill around it, and as you'll see, it will be quite easy to put off. There we go. No damage at all to the face of that or to the inside of the rubber. Nice and clean. All good.